Saber fans, it's your old pal Megtooth Sith, and I got an unboxing here for you. This is a package that I've been expecting for a long time. I think I ordered this Saber over 2 years ago. It was supposed to be in before Christmas of 2023, and it did not arrive. And I just recently got it last week on my birthday, and let's see what we got. I am pretty excited about this Saber. You know, I don't know if I'm going to install it. I may just display it. I may just display it. I wonder how they close this box. This is interesting. You know, kind of like, would like to know what happened with this Saber. There was a guy that was giving updates on this Saber, and I think he lost his job. So this is a custom Saber shop, Green Mamba. And I had mine custom anodized, so it's going to look a little bit different than some of the ones you've seen. But there's the box that it comes in, Green Mamba, the custom Saber shop. So does anybody know what happened to the guy? I think it was Josh Fineout that was doing all the updates. And, you know, all of a sudden his updates stopped, and then we didn't know, you know, what was going on, because none of us were getting our Sabers. And, you know, they were supposed to be in Thanksgiving of 2023, and then they weren't. Holy shit balls, Jesus. Lord, have mercy on my soul. How the hell do you even get it out of there? Oh my God. Oh my God. I guess I should have read the instructions on how to get it out of the holder. That is crazy. I guess they've got it bolted in there to protect it. Holy shit. Oh, that is incredible. You know, I have mine black, gold, and aluminum, and it is incredible for sure. Guys, you see I got the shroud here in gold and a lot of the greeblies in gold. The body pieces are all in black, and then the spine I had just keep it plain aluminum. Freaking incredible, this thing, you know? Freaking incredible. I assume you know, the machining is incredible, and you know, the stand is incredible. I mean, I've always loved the custom Saber shop. I mean, my favorite builds have been MHS builds, you know. I miss MHS builds, and you know, especially now with the thin neck system that they've come up with. You know, I'd love to build a Luke hero. I've been watching you guys build those heroes and Obi-Wan sabers out of those thin neck systems, and I've been really enjoying watching y'all's builds on that. Oh my God. That is incredible. Incredible. An absolute stunner. Absolute beauty. Those buttons are freaking phenomenal. Little crystal chamber there with a crystal in it. That's incredible. Really incredible work by the Custom Saber Shop, y'all. Really a piece of art for sure. I don't want to drop it. I don't want to mess it up. This, even if I do install this, it's not ever going to probably be taken out in public. This will stay in my house, but I guess that's happy birthday to me. That is definitely an awesome saber. Very awesome. Proud to have that in my collection. Hopefully that'll be worth some money someday. Yeah, would I be willing to sell it? I don't know. Alright, that was the Green Mamba. Awesome box, got the Custom Saber Shop logo on each end. It says the Green Mamba right there on the outside. Very, 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 very nice saber. Thank you everybody for watching as usual. I really appreciate y'all tuning in on my channel. And as always,